Welcome to an exciting journey through the evolution of Apple Inc., a company that has revolutionized how we interact with technology. This is the Apple Evolution, unveiling the core facts. Our story begins in Silicon Valley, 1976. Two Steves, Jobs and Wozniak, founded Apple Computer Company in a small garage, creating the Apple I. Though rudimentary, the Apple I was revolutionary, planting the seed for a technological revolution. Apple understood the power of a strong brand identity from the outset. The first logo, designed by Ronald Wayne, depicted Sir Isaac Newton but lacked simplicity. Rob Janoff introduced the bitten apple in 1977, adding a sense of playfulness and approachability. The rainbow stripes symbolized the color capabilities of the Apple II, making the logo synonymous with innovation. December 12, 1980, marked Apple's initial public offering, IPO, raising $100 million. This influx of capital fueled Apple's expansion, validating its business model and solidifying its position in the tech industry. The IPO paved the way for Apple's future growth and innovation. In the late 1990s, under the visionary leadership of Steve Jobs, Apple underwent a remarkable design renaissance that would change the tech industry forever. The iMac, launched in 1998, was a groundbreaking product that featured a translucent, Bondi blue casing, seamlessly integrating the monitor and CPU into one sleek unit. This innovative design was not just about aesthetics, it was about making technology accessible and appealing to the average consumer. The iMac's resounding success proved that consumers crave beautiful, user-friendly devices that were also powerful and functional. This design philosophy was carried forward to the iPod, which was launched in 2001 and revolutionized the way we listen to music. The iPod, with its intuitive click wheel and sleek design, quickly became a cultural phenomenon and a symbol of cool. It wasn't just a music player, it was a lifestyle accessory that defined a generation. The iPod's immense success solidified Apple's reputation for understanding the intricate intersection of technology, design, and culture, setting the stage for future innovations. In 2007, Apple redefined the technological landscape with the iPhone. Steve Jobs introduced it as a widescreen iPod, a revolutionary mobile phone, and an internet communicator. The iPhone's multi-touch interface and sleek design transformed the mobile phone industry. The App Store, launched a year later, created a vast ecosystem of apps, further propelling the iPhone's success. Launched in July 2008, the App Store was a revolution in software distribution. For the first time, developers had a direct channel to reach millions of iPhone users worldwide, breaking down barriers that previously existed in the software industry. The App Store democratized software development, fostering innovation on an unprecedented scale. It quickly became a global marketplace, generating billions in revenue for developers and creating a thriving ecosystem. The App Store's success created countless jobs, from app developers to marketers, and empowered developers to bring their ideas to life. This platform not only transformed the way software was distributed, but also how it was consumed, making it easier for users to discover and download apps that enhanced their daily lives. The ripple effect of this digital marketplace revolution continues to be felt across the tech industry today. In August 2018, Apple became the first U.S. company to reach a market capitalization of $1 trillion. This achievement was a testament to Apple's sustained growth and financial strength. The iPhone played a pivotal role, generating billions in revenue. Apple's ecosystem of hardware, software, and services set it apart. Reaching a $1 trillion valuation was a cultural moment, showcasing Apple's enduring legacy. Apple is a leader in corporate sustainability. aiming to be carbon neutral by 2030. The company powers its global operations with 100% clean energy. Apple designs products with recyclable materials and implements innovative recycling programs. The company partners with suppliers to promote sustainable practices. Apple's commitment to sustainability enhances its brand reputation among environmentally conscious consumers. In 2001, Apple revolutionized retail with its first Apple stores. These stores emphasized customer experience, providing a welcoming environment to try out products and seek technical support. Apple stores consistently ranked among the highest-grossing retail spaces per square foot. Today, with over 500 stores in 25 countries, Apple stores continue to be a testament to the company's commitment to design and innovation. Apple's impact extends far beyond technology. The iPod transformed how we consume music, and the iPhone changed how we communicate. Apple's design philosophy influenced countless industries, from electronics to architecture. The company's marketing prowess created legendary product launches. Apple's influence on culture blends technology, design, and marketing, shaping the world around us. Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation is fueled by its commitment to research and development, R&D. The company invests billions annually, attracting top talent to push technological boundaries. Apple's R&D efforts are evident in its groundbreaking products and technologies. This dedication to refining and perfecting every detail sets Apple apart in the tech landscape. In 2017, Apple opened Apple Park, a stunning architectural marvel. Designed by Foster Plus Partners, Apple Park is powered by 100% renewable energy. It's a workplace designed to inspire, reflecting Apple's values of innovation and sustainability. Apple fosters a workplace culture that embraces diversity and inclusion. The company implements a variety of initiatives to attract, retain, and promote underrepresented groups within its workforce. These efforts are not just about meeting quotas, but about creating an environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute their best work. Apple's diversity efforts significantly enhance its ability to attract top talent from all walks of life and serve a diverse customer base with unique needs and perspectives. The company's focus on diversity is evident in its product design, marketing campaigns, and community outreach programs. From accessible technology to inclusive advertising, Apple strives to reflect the diversity of its users. Apple's commitment to inclusion is an ongoing journey, continually evolving to make a positive impact on the world and set a standard for others to follow. Apple leverages its resources to address global challenges through philanthropy. The Product Red campaign has raised millions for the Global Fund to fight AIDS. Apple supports various charitable organizations and causes, including disaster relief and educational programs. Apple's philanthropic efforts demonstrate its belief in technology as a force for good. Apple prioritizes user privacy and data security. The company designs products with robust security features and strict data protection policies. Apple advocates for strong privacy regulations and challenges government requests for user data. This commitment to privacy earns the trust and loyalty of millions of users worldwide. From a Silicon Valley garage to a global tech titan, Apple's journey is remarkable. The company's commitment to innovation, design, and user experience has revolutionized technology. Apple's enduring legacy is a testament to human ingenuity and the transformative potential of technology.